So over the top to the T, across the bottom to the T. Over the top to the T, across the bottom to the T. So we'll go front and back and front and back and front 5, 6, 7, 8 and back and front and hip and front. Both across the top and both across the bottom. Both across the top. If you're struggling to get it up and keep it up, this Pilates drill might help you. Swing, T, swing, T, swing, T, swing, T, swing. Bottom and left, front, right, back, swing, left, back, right, front, swing, left, front, right, back, swing, left, back, right, front, swing, and pedal, and swing, and pedal, and swing, pedal, and swing, and pedal, swing, and pedal, and swing, and pedal, and swing.